I'm reading the book by Nathaniel Branden called The Six Pillars of Self-Esteem. It's a big, thick book. I'll forewarn people that
We like thick books.
Yes, we certainly do. But for people who don't or who feel intimidated by it and think, oh God, I'm not even a big reader. This is the kind of book that I personally think you're not supposed to read from cover to cover and just say, I read the book and it took me a week or it took me 2 months or something and I just flipped through the book. I think this is something where people should read a sentence.
Yeah, these resources that we give out, especially in Sips of Sanity, are just that. They're not novels, they're resources, and they are to be digested at your own pace.
Yeah, and this type of a book, well, as you said, all of them in book club for sure. This type of a book has so many sentences. I'm just going to keep saying it, sentences that are so packed with information. And then you're supposed to be able to take that and reflect, is that something that I actually live through in my life? You're not supposed to just read the sentence and go, self-efficacy means, and then move on to the next sentence. You should be reading the sentence, what self-efficacy means.
And then asking 50 questions.
Yeah.
Do I have it?
Yes.
Where do I have it? Where is it missing? How come it's missing? When did it go missing? How can I get it back? Who are my people who will help me get it back?
Yeah. And okay, so...
And that's just off the top of my head.
I think that there will be people listening to that who might go, oh my God, hit pause, hit pause, hit pause. I got to go get a pen and paper.
Do it.
Yes, go get your pen and paper, hit the pause button, write down the questions that Kelly just said, because that is what we do and what we want you to get out of the Sips of Sanity series.
Sips of Sanity airs the first week of every month on patreon.com/the Sarlos.